Welcome to the Modernizing CORBA Applications through Artix series. And in this video, we'll demonstrate how to run the imaging processing server as implemented through VisiBroker. For Artix users, the previous video in the series will show you how to run the server with that product. So let's take a look on how to build and run the VisiBroker version of the CORBA server from our demo application. Before we can do that, we'll need to set some environmental variables in the command prompt supplied by Visual Studio 2012. We'll need to set the Java home to point to the location of the JDK and VisiBroker home to the location of our VisiBroker installation. We'll also have to include the bin directory of the Qt toolkit onto the path. And once we've done that, we can build the client by running the build batch file. After the build is complete, we can run the server with the run batch file. This opens the main window of the server's GUI. And what we'll do now is run an associate client off screen, so we'll be able to see what's happening from the server's GUI's perspective. And as you can see, the main window provides a log of the server that goes into very fine detail, as well as shows you any images that the clients submit to the server for processing or sharing. Back on the client side, we'll ask the server to process an image for us. In this case, we'll use a picture of a flower that will transform to grayscale. And in the server's log, you can see the two pictures, the one that came from the client and the transformed image produced by the server and sent back to the client. There are also several helpful menu features that we can use. First is the ability to save the contents of your log in an open document file format, which will save both text and images. And the log menu allows you to change the levels of verbosity of your log. And you can clear the contents of the log window from here as well. So to recap of what you've seen in this video is how to run an imaging processing server as implemented through VisiBroker. It demonstrates a common use case, a server carrying out the computationally expensive processing on behalf of a more lightweight client. This server will be the foundation of the different clients used throughout this video series. And in the next video, we'll introduce the image processing client for Artix users.